Have you guys seen this Black Adam movie? I don't know what took me so long to watch it, but man, it's tough. So we got a classic fine line unboxing. You guys remember the Home Depot boxes. Nostalgia, man. Hands down, we already know this has got to be one of the most anticipated releases, and there's some problems with them.
Oh, shit. Here we go again.
I just don't know why Nike can't ever get it right when it comes to these big releases.
Are you kidding me?
They already know they're going to be highly sought after. So it's like, why are we even having quality check issues at this point? That's the problem with the Air Jordan 3. I personally would assume that my pair is probably solid just because I got it from Fine Line, and I would assume he already looked at the pairs and he would have said something if that was the case. But it does suck. Like, okay, what if you finally hit for retail, you get your sneakers in and they don't even have elephant print on them, or the leather doesn't match up, or the shoes just don't look the same, or they're not symmetrical. The Nike swoosh on the back is crooked. These aren't like minor issues. They're a pretty big deal, especially at the price point of what, over 200 for these. I don't think there's really any excuse. It's taken me a long time to get this box open. Still working on it. I was too lazy to get a knife. All right. Let's see what's up with these. So we got the artificially aged box. Looks pretty dope in my opinion. I always like the little hints. I appreciate them. Never mad at them. Check these out, man. This is my first time seeing these in person, if you can believe it. I know so many people have had early pairs and access. It's insane, man. Like years ago, it was pretty hard to get stuff early, but it's pretty easy now if you got the money to spend. So we have this kind of breakdown of the shoes. Gotta love Jordan 3s. I honestly don't wear Jordan 3s as much. They are pretty clunky, but man, I remember getting these back. Hold up, before I finish that. Let's see what's up. The tongue is really thin on these, man. Wow. Is that how the original pair was? Wasn't born during that era, so very interesting. Shoe looks good. So what people are reporting are basically their shoes not matching up. Like one shoe will have tumble leather and the other shoe will have smooth leather. I can slightly see it on this, but nothing insane. These really aren't as clunky as like my black Cement 3s. Yeah, I can sort of see the oh yeah, I can see it. So on the toe box of my pair, the elephant print is inconsistent, as well as it's just like not lined up very well. On the back, not crooked. That's all that matters. Now, I personally don't necessarily care if the leather doesn't match up. It doesn't bother me that much. I kind of like the inconsistency just based on the reimagined aspect of it. You know, it's supposed to be aged and worn, blah, 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 just that look. But I can definitely see why people would be frustrated about that. And one thing that you really need to look out for, because if this does happen to you, you do get a really bad pair. Nike is only gonna take the shoes back and give you a refund. They're not gonna give you another pair. So I know a lot of you guys are new to the sneaker game. That's how it works, man, with these limited releases. If you hit on them, which is already harder than trying to get a hold of Jesus, if there's anything wrong with the pair, you're not gonna get another pair. So you're pretty much dealing with two draws. The winning draw and to see if you got a decent pair draw. But these are fire, bro. Like what? I just wanted to come at y'all and kind of talk about, you know, the problems that people have been facing with these. Other than that, these go nuts. Like this is one of my favorite Jordans. I love the white Cement 4s and obviously the white Cement 3s. Oh my goodness. They look beautiful. I'm gonna give you guys a full in-depth review and all that stuff. I just had to hit you with the classic sneaker unboxing. Like, dude, oh, look at, these are butter. Yo, this just brings back memories, man. I remember back in 2013, kind of around the time I started this channel, I ended up getting the 88s and they were half a size too big and I had to sell them. But right after that, the price skyrocketed. It was to a point, like I think even now you can't get them for any less than $800. And I was just like, bro, there's no way. So I never picked them up and I'm glad to see them back. This is definitely a pair that I'll be rocking. Like I said, I don't really wear my black Cement 3s at all, but for some reason these seem a little less chunkier than those. But dude, these are a must cop, man. If you're a Michael Jordan fan, a sneaker fanatic in general, do whatever you can to get these. They look so nice. I low-key would be kind of hot if I got like a really messed up faded pair on the elephant print. You guys might be able to kind of see. So here's one of the toe boxes and then here's the other one. You guys see the like height difference between the two? Let's see if we can get, there we go. So there's a slight little height difference between the two. And the elephant print is a little more faded. Like you almost can't see it on some parts of, like on the inside of this shoe. It really is showing up on camera right now, but in person, it's pretty faded. Like it's almost like, I don't know what they use, like embossment or some type of engrave. They didn't do a very good job. But other than that, no other like major flaws. Damn. All right, these will be coming out March 11th and really good luck to you guys, man. I'll put the links down below. You guys can go to asneakerlife.com and I'll updated with all the websites that will be dropping these. I'd love to say that they're going to be easy to cop, but honestly, man, so many people are into shoes nowadays. It was hard to get these when the sneaker community was kind of like small, and now it's just a whole different monster. Becky from down the street wants the Jordan 3s, you know what I'm saying? Like, she never wanted them prior. You feel me? Like, that's where we're going, and ain't nothing wrong with that. I ain't mad. You just need to know that now you really need to network and meet the right people, because you've been doing this, you know? That's how you get sneakers nowadays, in my opinion. But sheesh, man. If you guys want to see the review, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, turn those notifications on. I'll see you guys tomorrow, or if you're watching this later down the line, check this video out.